Hello, Monopoly enthusiasts. Are you eager to dive back into the world of thrilling dice rolls and strategic property acquisitions, but keep encountering the vexing Monopoly Go error on iOS? Fear not. In this guide, we'll walk you through effective steps on how to fix Monopoly Go error on iOS devices, ensuring you can resume your game without a let's roll these dice again. Step 1. Restart your iOS device. First things first, try the simplest solution, restarting your device. Sometimes a quick reboot is all you need to resolve minor software glitches that cause the Monopoly Go error on iOS. Press and hold the power button until the slide to power off prompt appears. Swipe to turn off your device, wait a few seconds, and then restart it. Launch the game once your device powers up to see if the issue is resolved. Step 2. Update the Monopoly game app. Outdated apps can often be the culprit behind unexpected errors. Head over to the App Store, tap on your profile icon on the top right, and scroll down to check for update. If there's an update available for Monopoly Go, hit the update button. New versions come with bug fixes and performance improvements that might just do the trick in eliminating the error. Step 3. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for online games. Ensure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi network or have good cellular data coverage. If you're using Wi-Fi, try restarting your router by unplugging it, waiting a minute, and plugging it back in. This can help resolve connectivity issues that could be causing the Monopoly Go error. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. Clearing app cache and data can resolve many app-specific issues. Unfortunately, iOS does not allow direct clearing of cache like Android, but you can try deleting and reinstalling the app. To do this, press and hold the Monopoly Go icon on your home screen, tap on Remove App, and then delete it. Head back to the App Store, search for Monopoly Go, and reinstall it. This will give you a fresh start the app. Step 5. Check for iOS updates. Sometimes the issue might not lie with the app, but with the iOS version itself. Go to Settings, General Software Update, to check if a new iOS update is available. Installing the latest updates ensures that your device has all the recent fixes and improvements that can help in resolving errors such as the Monopoly Go error on iOS. Step 6. Contact app support. If all else fails and you're still facing the Monopoly Go error on iOS, it might be time to reach out for professional support. Head to the App Store, navigate to Monopoly Go, and click on App Support. Provide a detailed description of the error, and the support team should assist you in diagnosing and troubleshooting the issue further. There you have it, Monopoly aficionados. Numerous ways to fix the notorious Monopoly Go error on iOS. By following these steps, restarting your device, updating the game, checking your internet connection, clearing app data, updating iOS, and reaching out for support, you'll greatly increase your chances of getting back to your favorite property trading game in no time. Remember, a smooth gaming experience is just a few taps away, so don't let pesky errors stand in your way. Let the Monopoly fun continue. Happy gaming.